Got a headlight out on a Maserati Ghibli, and this is what you have to do to change it. That's right, you heard me. You have to take the bumper off. To take the bumper off, you're gonna have a Torx right here. I believe it was a T20 or 25, and then 3 Phillips along here, and then you're gonna have I believe I used 25 or 27 probably. Let's see. Looks like a 30 maybe. 25 or 30 on the bottom, all along the bottom of the row. And then up top you got this board here. It's got these pop clips here. Underneath are these T55 bolts here, 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 and here. And they go in through these holes here. You have a pop clip here on each side. And then take all the bolts out along the bottom, undo these on both sides, and then most of the bumper will be loose. These are your adjustments that your other bolts go into. Don't mess with those. And then these are pop clips. I had a little bit of trouble with this one. I had a slide out protective screwdriver in here and just kind of get that up over. They go on these little clips here. You can see that little clip sticking up. They catch on there, so that pops off of there. Then right in here, this will pop up out of there as well on each side. As you can see, they got the same style clips along here underneath. And then once you have that out and the headlight's just sitting here, you're going to have a 10mm bolt here, a pop clip here that looks like this, so you'll have to pop that up and get that out. And then there'll be one more 10mm bolt right here on this side, and then right here you have to pop this up to disconnect the headlight connector, and then the headlight will come out. Once you get the headlight out, there are 4 T15 screws holding this plate on in the back of here. You want to unclip your flexible adjustment gear off of here. Just simple clips here. You just pop them up on each side. That'll give you enough space to roll that out of the bottom. This here connects into the back of this board, as you can see here. So you're going to unconnect those, pull your board out, and then your busted bulb that you need to change is going to be in this hole here, like this. You're simply going to turn it just about that much, and then you can wiggle it out. And then you'll put in your new bulb. Bulbs are the D3S HID bulbs, and insert. And then reinstall everything in reverse order. So real quick run over. You'll have this on top. Pop all the clips out, remove that, that'll pop off. Remove all of those bolts. Go down the side here. There's going to be one up in here, vertical, and then all these along the side, all these along the whole bottom. Have something to set your bumper on, unless you're doing it in the grass. Set it on the grass. You don't have to disconnect your bumper harness. You can let your bumper sit here like this while you work. No big deal unless you want to. And then once you have this out of the way, like I said, these are just pop clips. Once you get all the bolts out, that'll pop off of there, pop out of here, pop up over these, and then you have your headlight here. 10mm pop clip, 10mm, pop it up, and your headlight's out. Thanks for watching. Coincidentally, this would be how you did your parking sensors as well.